What sort of job is Nike doing in managing that inventory overhang?
I think the company did a great job in managing the inventory. It is still high relative to historical, but sequentially improved a lot. In the middle of last year, the crunch time globally, and especially in China, the inventory days was as high as 7 months. Still very much below that for Adidas, which was like double digits, like 10, 11 months. And now we see the channel inventory is managed around the 4 months, which still a little bit higher than that in 2019, but much, much better. And I think the beauty of this company is it's such well run and operationally, and the management really does a very good job in managing its internal logistics and merchandising. So on the inflation side, I think for any retailers of that size and influence, Nike can easily pass the inflation, the cost on the cost side to consumers. Many multinationals, such as cosmetic companies, beauty companies, sneakers, athleisure companies, apparel companies, they did that. And Nike did that too, but in a very, marginal manner. So, and, I think inflation is coming down. And even if it doesn't, and I think with the pickup and normalization in demand globally, Nike should be able to pass inflation to consumers.
Junheng, Adidas, Nike's major rival, had to drop Kanye West because of his anti-Semitic remarks. Is that going to benefit Nike from a competition point of view?
Well, I mean, Nike takes share from Adidas X Kanye West saga. I mean, those two companies are run very differently. Adidas, for the last 5 years, especially in China, has singularly focused on growth at the cost of many other issues, such as, it's not managing its footprint expansion as efficiently as Nike. And Nike always try to focus on, protecting the retail partners' margins. So therefore, it's not as aggressive in pushing out the new doors, etc. So, I mean, I think it's going to take a long while for Adidas to see a normalized cycle versus Nike. I think it's just right in front of us. I think they're going to have a blowout quarter in Q2 because of the low base last year, because Shanghai entered the lockdown towards the end of March last year. So it's going to be easy kind of cruising for Nike for the next few quarters. So I think for nothing else, even North America delivers no growth. Globally, Nike is able to grow like at least a high single digit constant